Meaning of false start.
False start.
False start.
False start.
False start. A false start is a term commonly used in sports to describe when an athlete begins the race before the designated starting signal. In track and field events, this can result in disqualification or a time penalty. In swimming, it typically leads to a disqualification. False starts are also used in business and other contexts to describe situations where a project or plan begins prematurely or without proper preparation. Such false starts can lead to wasted resources, delays, and negative consequences for those involved.